the ultimate guide to finding your perfect lash companion. Are you tired of lackluster lashes? It's time to unlock the secret to achieving those lifted, voluminous lashes you've been dreaming of. But here's the catch. Not all eyelash curlers are created equal. Some might leave you with a pinch, while others barely make a difference. So, where do you even start? Vogue has meticulously curated a list of the top eyelash curlers for 2025, ensuring you find the perfect match for your unique eye shape and lash length. These curlers are not just about the curl. They're about enhancing your natural beauty and making your eyes pop. The top contenders: Chanel Recorbe Cils de Chanel. This iconic curler is a favorite among celebrity makeup artists. It creates a natural bend, fitting most eye shapes effortlessly. No more pinching or uneven curls, just a gentle grip for a flawless look. Revlon Triple-Stepped Eyelash Curler. At a steal of a price, this drugstore gem is perfect for round eyes. Its innovative 3-tiered design curls lashes in one go, ensuring a quick and damage-free experience. Cella Heated Eyelash Curler. Say hello to the future of lash curling. This heated curler is a game-changer, providing a long-lasting curl without the risk of accidental crimping. And the best part? It's USB rechargeable, making it travel-friendly. Shiseido Eyelash Curler. Almond-shaped eyes rejoice. This curler is specifically designed for your unique eye shape, ensuring every lash is curled to perfection. Its edge-free design and silicone pads volumize without any pinching. Shu Uemura Iconic Eyelash Curler. Perfect for smaller eye shapes, this classic curler grits every lash smoothly. Say goodbye to pinching and hello to a quick, effortless curl. Revitalash Signature Eyelash Curler. Precision is the name of the game with this curler. Its wide opening suits all eye shapes, and the replaceable pads ensure longevity. Plus, the brand supports breast cancer research with every purchase. Tweezerman Pro Master Lash Curler. Almond and deep set eyes. This one's for you. Crafted at a 38-degree angle, it provides a subtle, natural curl that lasts. And the best part? It's easy to use, even for beginners. Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash Lift Heated Lash Curler. This heated curler is a must-have for those seeking an at-home lash lift. With 2 heat settings and a durable design, it's a favorite among professionals. Kevyn Aucoin The Eyelash Curler. Flatter any eye shape with this versatile curler. Its stainless steel construction and red cushion design make it a long-lasting, pinch-free option. Syrah Beauty Releve Lash Curler. Japanese-inspired and expertly crafted, this curler is a favorite among makeup artists. Its unique design catches all lashes in one go, delivering a smooth, even lift. Dior Backstage Eyelash Curler. A padded clamp and soft pads make this curler a comfortable choice. It's designed to reach every lash effortlessly, ensuring a pinch-free experience. e.l.f. Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Curler. This affordable option is perfect for beginners. Its contoured curve and soft padded handles provide a comfortable grip and impressive results. Velour 2 Extra Lash Curler. Fluffy lashes, glam looks, and falsies unite. This ergonomic curler is a dream come true, offering a wide opening and a white silicone pad for easy visibility during curling. The science behind the curl shape matters. As Brigitte Rice Anderson, a renowned makeup artist, explains, the shape of your curler should complement your eye shape. A round curler for round eyes, a straight curl for flatter eyes. It's all about harmony. Padding is key. Robert Sesnek, a celebrity makeup artist, emphasizes the importance of soft, fluffy silicone pads. These ensure a safe curl and prevent damage to your lashes. Heated curlers. For those with straight lashes or seeking a long-lasting curl, heated curlers are a great option. They mimic the effect of a curling wand for hair, setting the curl in place. Mastering the technique, prep is essential. Always use your curler on mascara-free lashes to avoid any mishaps, as recommended by experts. The perfect curl. Open the curler fully, look down, and gently set your lashes close to the root. Hold for a few seconds, and voila. Repeat for added lift. Locking in the curl. Follow with a lash primer and mascara. For an extra boost, use a heated curler at the end to warm the mascara and lock in the shape. Frequently asked questions. Do eyelash curlers really work? Absolutely. While results may vary, Most people notice a significant difference. Even on no makeup days, a quick curl can open up the eyes. Does the type of curler matter? Yes, the shape and band inside the curler are crucial. A soft, squishy band and a shape that suits your eye will create a natural curl and prevent breakage. Behind the scenes, Vogue's recommendations are backed by a rigorous testing process. They consult with experts, including celebrity makeup artists and dermatologists, to ensure the best products make it to your vanity. For eyelash curlers, they consider material, ergonomics, arch, width, heat settings, and the type of curl created. Meet the experts. Lisa Aharon, a New York-based celebrity makeup artist with an impressive client list, including Rachel Brosnahan and Molly Ringwald. Alan Avendano, celebrity makeup artist to stars like Sandra Oh and Sabrina Carpenter. Taylor Chanel, renowned celebrity makeup artist, working with Alton Mason and Lakeith Stanfield. Courtney Hausner, celebrity hair and makeup artist who has worked with Jay Shetty and Madison Bailey. Matin Malawisada, celebrity makeup artist known for his work with Lupita Nyong'o and Angelina Jolie. Alex Mayo, celebrity makeup artist to Lizzo and Mariah Carey. Wendy Miyake, celebrity makeup artist and men's groomer to Kourtney Kardashian and Madonna. Dylan Pena, celebrity makeup artist who has worked with Beyoncé and Paloma Elsesser. Brigitte Rice Anderson, makeup artist to Hunter Schafer and Michelle Pfeiffer. Robert Sesnek, celebrity makeup artist who has worked with Vanessa Hudgens and Julianne Moore. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to finding your perfect eyelash curler. But wait, do you agree with our top picks? Are there any curlers you think we missed? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.